Math detectives. Today, I discovered that cooking is full of math. A whole cup is one complete cup. 1/2 is one of 2 equal parts. And 1/4 is one of 4 equal parts. But the most interesting part is how these measurements can work together. Mom.
Yes, sweetheart?
Have you been working all day?
Not all day. Just most of it.
You swept the compound, you washed the clothes, and you cleaned the windows too.
Someone has been paying attention.
You must be tired.
A little. But I'm almost finished.
Mom, let me help you.
You don't have to, Grace.
I know, but I want to.
Then you can take these to the bedroom for me.
Okay. What are you going to do after this?
I still need to prepare dinner.
Dinner too?
Unless everyone has decided not to eat tonight.
We definitely hasn't decided that.
Now, what should I make for dinner?
She still has to cook.
You're worried about her.
She's done everything today. And now she's making dinner for us.
She takes very good care of this family.
I wish I could do something special for her.
Just telling her means a lot. Maybe you can.
Maybe I can what?
Do something special for Mom.
But what can I do?
Well, your mom has taken care of everyone all day.
I know.
So perhaps someone else could take care of her tonight.
I can help. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking we might have a surprise to plan.
A surprise?
What if you made dinner for Mom tonight?
Me?
You
Cook dinner?
cook dinner,
By myself?
not completely by yourself. I'll be nearby.
But Mom makes dinner look easy.
That's because she has had a lot of practice.
What if I make a mistake?
Then we fix it. Taking responsibility doesn't mean you already know everything. It means you're willing to try carefully. You know the special dinner Mom makes when everyone wants something comforting?
Her vegetable stew?
Exactly.
That's everyone's favorite.
And that is why it would be a perfect surprise.
But I don't know how she makes it.
She has a recipe book.
The brown one with the little flower on the cover?
That's the one.
I've seen her use it.
Then you already know where to begin.
Do you really think I can do it?
I know you can. I think you can follow instructions. And you can ask for help when you need it. And I think Mom would love the surprise.
Okay. We need a plan.
A plan?
A very secret plan.
Of course. I'll take Mom outside and keep her occupied. You get started. First, I'll ask Mom to help me with something outside.
So she stays away from the kitchen.
Exactly.
And I'll find the recipe book.
Then you gather the ingredients.
And follow the recipe carefully.
I'll help with anything hot, heavy, or sharp.
Safety first.
Always.
What happens if Mom tries to come back inside?
I'll distract her.
How?
I'll think of something.
That part of the plan needs work.
Could you help me with something outside?
Right now?
It should only take a few minutes.
I was about to start dinner.
Dinner can wait for just a moment.
Why are you smiling like that?
I'm not smiling.
You were definitely smiling.
I was thinking about vegetables.
She really likes vegetables.
Since when?
Fine, but only for a few minutes.
Of course.
Okay, Grace. You can do this. Dad keeps Mom busy. I find the recipe. And together, this is Operation Surprise Dinner. First, I need Mom's recipe book. Then I need the ingredients. And I need to remember... Anything hot, sharp, or heavy? Waits for Dad. Safety first. Mom always keeps the book right here. There it is! Now I need to find Mom's special vegetable soup. Found it! Mom's special vegetable soup. 2 cups of leafy vegetables, 1.5 cups of vegetable stock, 1/2 cup of carrots, 1/2 cup of bell peppers, 1/4 cup of onions, and 1/4 cup of tomato mixture. 1 whole cup, 1/2, and 1/4. This recipe really is full of math. The recipe says 2 cups of leafy vegetables. This is 1 full cup. 1 cup. And 1 more full cup makes 2 cups. 1 plus 1 equals 2. First ingredient complete. 1.5 cups of vegetable stock. 1 whole cup and 1/2 of another cup. 1 cup plus 1/2 cup equals 1.5 cups. That sounded harder than it was. The recipe needs 1/2 cup of carrots, but this one is still wet. Could I use 1/4 instead? 1/4 is smaller than 1/2, but 2 quarters make 1/2. 1/4, 2 quarters. That equals 1/2 cup. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1/2. And now the peppers are measured too. 1/4 cup of onions. I know this one. 1/4 means 1 of 4 equal parts. And the tomato mixture needs 1/4 cup too. Oops. Responsibility also means cleaning little spills. Onions, tomato mixture, carrots, peppers, and leafy vegetables. Everything is ready. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. This is the tablespoon. 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning. This is a teaspoon. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Small measurements matter too.
How is the mission going? I have sent Mom on an errand. Now we can cook before she returns.
All the ingredients are measured.
Already?
Yep! Now we just have to mix it all. I used 2 quarter cups to make 1/2.
You found another way to measure it? That is excellent problem solving.
But now the recipe says to heat the pot.
And hot things are?
Your responsibility.
Correct.
I'll be your assistant.
And a very organized assistant too.
I used to think cooking ended when the food went into the pot.
And what do you think now?
Cooking also means cleaning what you use and putting everything back.
Where would you like the soup?
Right in the middle.
You measured the ingredients and you counted the place settings.
Math helped with the whole dinner.
Mom is coming.
Already?
Operation Surprise Dinner is almost complete.
I hope she likes it.
Surprise! Surprise!
Oh, what is all this? Dinner. You prepared dinner?
I made your special vegetable soup. Grace made the soup?
She measured every ingredient herself.
Dad helped with the stove. And the hot pot.
And the heavy bowl.
But I followed the recipe. You did all this for me? You worked all day, so we wanted someone else to take care of you tonight. You cleaned too?
I almost forgot that cooking includes cleaning, but Dad reminded me that responsibility means finishing the whole job.
I am very proud of you.
The moment of truth.
It certainly looks like my vegetable soup. But does it taste like it?
It is delicious.
Really?
She is right.
I followed every measurement.
The measurements helped. But I think this soup had one extra ingredient.
An extra ingredient?
Yes, love.
Love. And fractions. Math detectives. Today, I discovered that cooking is full of math. A whole cup is 1 complete cup. 1/2 is 1 of 2 equal parts. And 1/4 is 1 of 4 equal parts. But the most interesting part is how these measurements can work together. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1/2. And remember, a tablespoon and a teaspoon are not the same size. Using the correct measurement helps a recipe turn out properly. But today was not only about fractions. It was also about responsibility. Responsibility means doing your part carefully. It means asking for help when something is not safe. It means cleaning what you use. And it means finishing the job you started. I wanted to make Mom feel special, and seeing her happy made all the work worth it. So the next time you help in the kitchen, look carefully at the measurements.
You might find whole numbers, fractions, and even time. What meal would you like to help your family prepare? Thanks for joining us, math detectives. Goodbye. And get ready, because our next adventure may be hiding in an ordinary day.